Welcome to the second tutorial of our Member Compass 101 series. If you haven't had a chance to view the first video on creating your account and logging in, we provided a link in the description box below. For this tutorial, we'll review all things events, how to navigate and search for events, and how to register yourself and others to attend. To start on our home page, I would like to scroll down just a little to show our upcoming events section. So you can see it has our most upcoming as well as a quick link to view our calendar page. But before we click there, I also want to point out a few other features that we have under our Events tab, including our About Programs page. Whether you're a new member or a long-standing member, it's a great resource to review all the programs and series that we offer year-round. Also under that Events tab, we have our sponsorship opportunities listed. If you're interested in learning more about any of these unique opportunities to partner with the Chamber and gain more visibility for your company, this is a great resource for that as well. Also under the Events tab, we have our member-to-member events calendar. This page is where we like to broadcast all the events that our members are hosting throughout the year. It's a great resource to learn more about what's going on in the community and also support your fellow members by planning your year around some of the events that they're also hosting. If you would like to get your event posted here, also under this tab, you can simply click the Member-to-Member Events form, and that will take you to the form to submit all of your event information so that we can go ahead and get it posted onto this Member-to-Member Events calendar. But now to dive a little bit deeper into the Calendar of Events page, we'll go back up to Events and click that link. This pulls up our Calendar of Events page. As you can see, it is in list view with our upcoming events, starting from the most recent in chronological order. We also have a quick search bar. If you know exactly which event or which program that you're interested in getting more information on, you can utilize the quick search. If you prefer a calendar view, simply click View Calendar, and that will pull up the traditional calendar view. You have an option to jump to a specific month, or you can use the arrows to navigate among the different ones. If there's a specific event that you're interested in attending or just want to learn more about, simply click there, and it will pull up the events detail page. On the events detail page, you also notice we have a few unique features on the header as well. If you need to know a little bit more about the particular location, clicking View Map will pull up a Google map of the venue location. To return to the previous screen, you simply show Event Info, and it returns. You can also add to your calendar. By clicking that, you can add it to your calendar in any of these formats. But note that if you're adding it to your calendar, that's not registering you for the event. To register, you click Registration Options to pull up the registration page. On the registration page, as you can see, I'm not logged in yet. If I was, my contact information would be under this Registration Contact section. It is prompting me to go ahead and log in, but I'd also like to point out too, as you can see, since I'm not logged in, some of the tickets are not available to me just yet. They have this little lock button on there. If I do try to click, it just prompts me to go ahead and log in, which we'll go ahead and do at this time. So logging in, as you can see, it does pull up my information within this registration contact box. And now, scrolling down a little bit, you can see that the member ticket is now available for me to purchase. I do not have Cornerstone benefits with my membership, but if I did, this is also when these Cornerstone tickets would become available to me as well. So at this time, we'll go ahead and put that we would like to make a purchase or register some tickets. And as you can see, the minute that you put in a quantity that you would like to register, it does pull up these tickets below for you to input attendee information. And from here, it's a drop-down menu where you're able to quickly select either your name or anybody on your staff. Once you put in that name, it does pull in any information it has on your contact info or your company name. And as I said, you can go ahead and register anybody that's listed on this particular staff. If you're needing to register somebody that you're not seeing them immediately on this list, it simply means they haven't been added to the company profile yet. And if you don't have time right at the moment to go ahead and add them and update that profile, you can also type in a name if you need to. And if you note, when you type in a name, it doesn't populate their contact information or their company, so go ahead and add that at that time as well whenever you're adding it in. And once you've completed your attendee information, you can scroll down a little bit further to finalize that registration. There is a handy summary here to let you get a quick glance at exactly what you are purchasing, make sure everything is correct there. And this is also where you can see who will receive the confirmation email for this registration. So you can see the purchaser will receive a confirmation email, but so will each of the attendees that you have registered. So in this particular case, it's going to be 3 separate emails going out confirming that a registration has been made. And then you have the option, you can either pay online with your credit card, or you can request an invoice be sent. Either way, you just select which one you would like, and then you click Complete Registration to finalize your purchase. And now you're ready to browse and register to attend any upcoming Chamber events. We look forward to